the changed one. So luckily I have a zip, so I can access it without cutting this, but if you don't have a zip here, then you need to cut it with a box knife and then fix it with a tape or whatever you want. So first step is unscrew these four. These are holding this. Now I unscrewed all of them. They look like this. Just a normal screwdriver is enough. These four, 1, 2, 3, 4. And step 2, take this to your hardware store. There should be loads of wheels, and you have to align these 4 holes with these 4. So as you can see, this is the closest I could find. You can see the hole is here, so they don't perfectly align, but they are close enough. So about 2-3 millimeters is missing here as well. So if, for example, when I align these 2 holes with these ones, and then the end part, this is ending up somewhere here, then obviously I cannot, that's not compatible. So this is good enough. And the second step is, in the hardware store there should be screws section where you can try out all the screws, and I just go and check which one fits. So for example this one, this is M5 and it goes in. M6 would be too big, M4 would be too small, so as the bigger what you can fit in. And then of course these ones as well. And first just try this out, if it fits, if it goes in. Yeah, that's fine. Sometimes this hole needs to be drilled to widen the hole, but if you can avoid, then try not to drill it. Like here, this is a bottom and I have to push it a bit hard, but still no point to drill it. So if you can push it through a bit hard, but then do it, that's fine. These bottom ones are a bit harder, so I just use 8mm. This is 8mm. While I'm doing it with one hand, I just keep looking inside. You can see it's coming now. Tighten all of them, and because the holes were not perfectly aligned with the previous one, you can see that this goes a bit like this. So it's not completely straight, but this is good enough. That's just how it is. And I recommend you can just use, you don't have to do it like I do, that I put 2. So this is the normal one, and this has this tiny plastic ring inside, so it tightens it. It will not. It acts as a Loctite. so it won't allow this to move upwards. While I'm tightening it from the inside, maybe it keeps rotating, so from one hand hold on to this, and then with the other hand keep tightening it so it doesn't move anywhere. So once again, you can just do the top part. You don't have to do the bottom part. I just like to put it this way, that's all. And one more thing, if you want to keep the old wheels, if like me, you want to replace only one or two, basically if you want to keep one or two old wheels, I'm gonna keep this and this, then obviously you need to make sure that the distance from here to here is the same as here or similar. Few millimeters difference is no big deal, not a big problem. And this is it can rotate, but if you have a wheel what is solid, what cannot rotate, so you cannot push it left or right just like this, it could be alright as well. Only thing is you will be able to push the luggage only on two wheels. So just you can just pull it, you cannot push it. That's all. So solid wheels are just as good as the rotating ones. So my suggestion when you purchase luggage, just check the wheels. You can see that these are too thin. Before purchasing, I could have seen that these will 100% going to break. And you can see that this is not a very strong, so yeah, just buy a good one. Buy a strong. And as I said, if you installed only solid wheels, then you cannot do this, but you can still do this only. That's the only thing you will be able to do. Just pull it. So solid wheels are alright as well.